I'm going to answer your immigration questions. Wow, lines are already locked and loaded, Yo-Yo and Vanessa. Kelly in Stanford.
Hi, Brad.
Hi, Kelly. How are you?
How are you?
Good. What's going on? Good. What's going on?
I have something to tell you, and then I have something to ask you.
All right. Tell me first.
I entered the U.S. in 2007.
Right.
I get married in 2012 to a green card holder.
Right.
Unfortunately, it didn't work. We have a child together.
Okay.
And then I end up getting divorced. She didn't want to get divorced. I get divorced in 2019, and since then I'm out of status. So I'm trying to figure out like what could I do, because
fall in love again. That's the number one. Fall in love again. I mean, right now, you being out of status, most likely, not saying it's the only thing, but most likely scenario would be fall in love again.
That's the only way right now.
I'm not saying it's the only way. I'm saying the most straightforward way. That doesn't mean do a business marriage. It doesn't mean do a fake marriage. But in other words, if you call me and say I overstayed my visa, I was married to a resident, I'm now divorced, what should I do? Well, you got to find another way. So what's the fastest way is fall in love. Easier said than done. Are there other ways? I don't know. We would have to have a consultation.
Okay.
All right. Hold on. Let's go to Ali in New York, New York. Ali.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
All right. Actually, I get arrested in 2018 when my I-130 was pending. So I get arrested because of my wife, but she's gonna be crazy. But
you got arrested. You got arrested for domestic violence.
Yes.
And your wife filed an adjustment for you.
Yes.
Okay. Whether you believe she's crazy or not, that's an arrest for domestic violence. What happened with the case?
The case was dismissed because she came to the court and she said nothing never happened. Nothing never happened.
So then she filed a false. She admitted she filed a false report. She could have been arrested herself.
What was that?
I said if she comes to court and says nothing happened, I was lying, then she herself committed a crime by filing a false report. She's lucky if that's how it went down. She's lucky she didn't get arrested.
Yes, because even the judge tell her at the criminal court that, do you know you incriminated yourself right now?
Right. Okay. So what? All right. So now what's?
Okay. My question.
What's the question?
My question is My question is my last court by the immigration, because I was put in the removal process also. So my question is if because right now I don't live with her because she has epilepsy and every time is crazy. So I just but we still married, but my question is if she doesn't come with me, because the I-130 is approved. If she doesn't come, because the judge told me to come with her at my court, because my lawyer. You
need to be able to show that you're in a bona fide marriage all the way through the time you get your green card. So if she's not coming and you're living apart, that's evidence that this is no longer a bona fide marriage. So now you have a problem. So either it's going to be one of two: you guys reconcile, and you're allowed to have a fight and reconcile. It doesn't mean it's not a bona fide marriage, or you're going to say, my wife is so crazy, and I'm not saying she is. I'm just I'm using your words. My wife is so crazy that I believe I'm emotionally abused, extreme emotional abuse, physical abuse. I don't know what happened in the marriage. That would be your other option in terms of using this marriage to get a green card.
Okay. So I think I will need a consultation.
I think so too. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.